Historical context. Beef history. SAS was developed at North Carolina State University in the late 1960s by Anthony Barr and others to analyze agricultural research data. It evolved into a software suite encompassing various data analysis and capabilities. So, as we can understand, that the North Carolina State University was the first to develop the essays in late 1960s with the help of Anthony Barr and others in order to analyze the agriculture research data through key milestone. Throughout the 1970s and 80s, SAS continued to expand its capability, adding advanced and statistical procedures and providing tools for data management and reportings. Influential figures Jim Goodnight and John Salla played instrumental roles in evolution of SAS, shaping it into one of the leading solutions for data science and analytics. So from the key milestones, we can say that after the development of SAS in North Carolina State University by many of the researchers, it has developed and continued to expand its capability and advanced statistical procedures providing tools for data management and reporting in the 1970s and 1980s. This is happening because of the robust set of statistical procedures and for in-depth analysis that SAS can provide, due to which scientists can perform nowadays complex statistical tests, analyze variance, and have validate hypotheses, enhancing the rigor and reliability of scientific studies. Influential figures from them we can understand Jim Goodnight and John Sall have played an instrumental role in the evolution of SAS. Due to them using the SAS and telling about whether which areas are not correct, which areas need improvement, and this and that. It has shaped the SAS into the software it is known today for leading solution for data science and analytics.